Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the new upgraded Infantry Rifle. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's gonna be a really long rifle, so make sure you have enough room for on your sheet of paper. So we're just gonna draw in the body first, so this is gonna be most of the length of the rifle. So I'm just gonna draw one line across, and you can use a ruler and things like that to help you out because it is very difficult to draw a straight line. And then from here, I'm gonna go down, and I'm gonna come across here. So this is basically a rectangle, and then on this end right here, this one's gonna come down a little bit longer. And then from this longer end right here, I'm gonna slant it up, leave a little bit of space, and then just close it with another slant. Alright, and then to show us where we are, here is the magazine. So we're just gonna come straight down, close it off, and then we're gonna extend it and just add a little rectangle on the end. And for some detail, we can do this, just two lines, and then close it off. Alright, so then on the back here is going to be the trigger. So let's go back and work on this area first before we add in all the details right here. So start right around here. I'm just going to draw a little box. That's going to be for the trigger. And then I'm going to extend this line about double the distance of this. And then come back up here, draw the same line all the way across, and then close it off. It should be close to a box or a rectangle. Okay, and then come back in here. Here's the trigger. So just curve, just close that off. And then for the grip, just come down. So curve past this line. Start here, curve. And then let's just close that off. That's gonna be the grip. Okay, so let's work on the back. Since we're back here, I'm gonna extend this line. Go up a little bit more. And then same thing, just go straight back. And then close this off, so we have a rectangle on the back. And then once we have that, extend this all the way down, and just draw a really long rectangle back here, and close it right here. Okay, and then one more detail right here. It says right here, just draw two lines just to connect it up. And then let's just go ahead and finish up this area right here. I'm just gonna draw in a little rectangle in the middle, and another line, and then in here let's just divide this space right here into half. I'm gonna add a little arc on the bottom right here. Okay, so let's finish up the details in here. So right here I'm gonna extend this, just draw a little rectangle. Another little rectangle. I know we're just drawing a lot of little rectangles, right? Extend it, come up, just close it. Alright, and then for the details inside here, I'm just gonna draw one line. And then from this area right here, I'm gonna draw a little rectangle right in the middle. And then on the side, I'm gonna come out, draw another one. And then the spacing right here, just draw the same spacing, envision the same spacing here, and then draw another one. So now we have three. Alright, so now let's draw in the railing on the top here. So come back here, just gonna draw a little circle. And now draw one line from the top of the circle all the way across to the front here. And then I'm going to just close it off with a slant. Leave a little bit of space right here. Come back here. We're going to go up and continue the same line. So this is going to be the railing. And then once you come up here, just come down and it should meet up at the tip. Alright, and then it's got those little bars in the center. So a quick way to draw this is somewhere in the middle here. I'm just going to draw two lines. And then in the middle of this right here, I'm going to draw two more lines. So I'm just kind of evenly dividing up the space. And then in here, one more. And then let's draw one more in between these two. Okay, so one in between and then one more in between these two. Alright, and then on the top, we got a bunch of little notches. So I'm just gonna draw, I know it's kind of small. Just little rectangular, little bumps. Just keep going all the way until you hit the tip, and we'll just stop there. Alright, so we pretty much got all the details here. Now let's just finish up the gun with the barrel. So the barrel is a little bit longer too. So from the tip here, just draw two lines, a little bit, and then close it off. And then right in the middle here, I'm just gonna extend the line. Okay, so this is gonna be the main barrel. And then once you have that, just extend the tip right here a little bit. And then from the middle, this will be straight, go all the way out. And then on the top part here, we're gonna go all the way out, but kind of go up a little bit, so it's a little bit askewed. And then close it off with a snap. And then for the details, just one line. And then there's gonna be a little vent here. Just add one rectangle. Okay, so now you can draw in the bottom. So for the bottom, it's the same thing, but it's just smaller. So two little lines, close it. And then we're gonna draw one more, so we're gonna extend it a little bit. It gets a little bit tight here. Just another rectangle. And then extend this line here just a little bit. And that is it for this epic and legendary infantry rifle. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.